Chirag Parmar. So today's special recipe I'm going to make for the kids who like ready to eat food from outside. So today I'm going to make cheese balls, which is very tasty, healthy and easy to make at home. So let's start for making cheese balls. So here our ingredients are ready. I had taken 2 big size boiled potatoes and 1 cup of rice flour for same quantity, and then half cup of corn flour for crunchiness and half cup of processed cheese. After that, all spices I had taken: half teaspoon of black pepper, salt as per taste, 2 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of chaat masala for the taste and tangy flavor. So first method, we have to grate the potato. No lump should be there. Final product will be not being nice. So this I am now measuring the potato. So we have to take equal quantity of rice flour and potato. Then after that I had taken 1 vessel. In that I will be making the dough. So we'll be adding 2 cups of water, and then we will put salt for the taste in the dough. Not too much we have to put. Then we have to give the boil to the water, and then we have to add the rice flour in it and stir continuously till the consistency doesn't thicken. So you can see all the water has been soaked by the rice flour. The dough is ready. So we have to take in the bowl, and normal temperature we have to take, and after that we have to add the potatoes, because if we take hot rice flour, so it will leave the water, you know. So after that we will be adding spices: chaat masala, black pepper, salt as per taste, and then red chili. I'm not putting that much chili because this is I'm making for the children's, so as per that we have to put. And then we will add corn flour in it for the crunchiness. Outer layer it will be crunchy, and then we have to knock properly, and at last we have to add the cheese for the cheesiness. So this cheesy flavor the children like the most. Then we will be dividing 1 by 2 the dough, and then we will make thin roll. So after that we will be easier to divide and make the balls. So we will have to divide small pieces, equal piece we have to make, and then we will be making roundel shape first. You can see, yeah. So same like that we have to make half, and another half I am going to make another shape, cylindrical shape. So 2 shapes the children's will be liking. So here our cheese balls are ready. So now it's time for frying. So we have to heat the oil on medium flame, and we have to fry at max to max 5 to 6 pieces at a time, because it will stick together. So it is hard to separate from each other. So we have to put 5 to 6 pieces only at one time with the strainer. And now it's time for plating. You can see I had served with the mint chutney, which is very nice, and with masala tea. So accompaniment is sauce also, you can have it. Different shapes will like by the children's at home. This quarantine, some different starters we have to make for the children's or snacks. So try this at your home and enjoy with your family. So please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Chirag's Kitchen, and please do not forget to click on the bell icon so you get update of my all recipes. Thank you.